This is the Niagara C331-725BN or brushed nickel trip lever. Now this trip lever works for a few different Glacier Bay models, including the N2428E, N2428R, and the N410E. So taking a closer look at this handle, we'll start with the face. See the overall shape of the handle. Just got that little swoop right there up front. Then coming down to the bottom side, we have the lock nut, the rubber washer that sits in between the porcelain and the nut. And then you've got your little squared brooch there that actually sits into the opening of the porcelain. Then coming down, you got our brass arm. You can see the bend here, it's very slight. Then coming straight back to the back, you've got 3 holes there that are used to connect the chain from the flapper onto the handle. Now we can go ahead and get a couple dimensions of the handle, starting with the overall length. Now this is going to be a very hard measurement, but get as close as we can, all the way from the tip of the handle to the end of the arm. We're right at about 10¼ inches, but it's not going to be perfect. It's a pretty weird angle. Then we can measure the brass arm itself, which I should be able to get pretty spot on. Just shy of 8 inches, probably right at about 7 7/8. And once again, this is the Niagara C331-725 brushed nickel trip lever replacement.